In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a successful partner with the Wayfair affiliate program and grow your online presence while earning commissions. We'll take you through the essential steps from joining the program to making the most of your marketing efforts. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to join the Wayfair affiliate program to unlock a world of marketing resources. This is the foundation of your journey, offering you access to a wide range of banners, links, and other tools specifically designed to help promote Wayfair products. It's crucial to make sure you understand the program's terms and conditions so you remain compliant and maximize your earning potential. Once you're on board, you'll have a toolkit that will be instrumental in promoting Wayfair's extensive range of home goods and furnishings. Now, with the resources in hand, your next step is to create engaging content that features Wayfair products. This content can take many forms, such as informative blog posts, eye-catching videos, or engaging social media posts. The key is to craft your content in a way that resonates with your audience. Consider the types of products they might be interested in and why, then tailor your message accordingly. Effective content not only grabs attention but also provides genuine value, encouraging your audience to click on your affiliate links. As you create your content, keep in mind the importance of SEO or search engine optimization. Using SEO techniques will help your content appear on the first page of search engines, which means more eyes on your work. It's helpful to incorporate relevant keywords naturally within your content, utilize meta tags, and make use of internal and external links where appropriate. This way, you'll improve the visibility of your content, attracting more visitors to your platforms. Once your content is live and optimized, it's time to share your affiliate links across your platforms. This is where you can start earning commissions. Make sure your links are easy to find and clickable. It's a good idea to place them strategically within your content where they are relevant, such as beneath a product review or a shopping guide. Always ensure that your audience understands these are affiliate links, which is a transparent practice and builds trust. Finally, it's crucial to monitor the performance of your campaigns. Track the analytics to see which content pieces perform best and adjust your strategies for even better results. Analyzing data helps you identify trends and understand customer behavior. Are there certain types of products that get more attention? Does one platform outperform others? Use these insights to refine your approach and optimize your future content. There you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Wayfair affiliate, driving traffic, and earning commissions. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your affiliate marketing journey.